For your help, I place all the product links in the description.
If you're like me and cook regularly, you know how much of a hassle mincing garlic can be. You've got the peeling, the chopping, the sticky hands, and of course, that strong garlic smell lingering long after you've finished prepping. That's where the Chef'n GarlicZoom garlic chopper comes in. I've been using this little gadget for a while now, and I have to say, it's a game changer in the kitchen. Let me share my experience with you and why I believe it's a must-have for any home cook or professional chef. A fast and easy way to chop garlic. When I first used the GarlicZoom, I was skeptical, to be honest. I'm used to using a knife or a garlic press, but when I was preparing a big family dinner, I decided to give it a try. I loaded the garlic cloves, closed the lid, and started rolling. The result? Perfectly chopped garlic in seconds, just the right texture. The more you roll, the finer the chop, and the less you roll, the coarser the texture. I loved how easy it was, and my hands didn't have the lingering garlic smell for hours. From my personal experience, this tool really cuts down on the time spent in the kitchen. I've used it for everything from making garlic butter to prepping garlic for pasta sauces, and it always delivers. I can easily switch from a coarse chop for a hearty stew to a fine mince for an elegant dish, which makes it a versatile tool. Cleaning made simple. As someone who doesn't love spending a lot of time cleaning up in the kitchen, I was thrilled to discover that cleaning the Chef'n GarlicZoom is a breeze. After using it, I simply pop it on the top rack of the dishwasher, and it's good to go. No complicated parts or scrubbing required, which makes the whole process even more convenient. Final thoughts. The Chef'n GarlicZoom garlic chopper has truly been a time saver in my kitchen. It's compact, durable, and makes chopping garlic easier and quicker than ever. Whether you're a beginner cook or a seasoned professional, this tool is a valuable addition to your kitchen arsenal. It's one of those gadgets that gets the job done without all the hassle. From my experience, I can confidently say that it will make your garlic prep as easy as rolling a wheel. If you're looking for a simple, effective way to chop garlic, I highly recommend giving this tool a try.